Hi guys, I'm Pravar from Pravar Folds, and today I'll be showing you how to make an exploding envelope. And yes, I pre-folded this paper, so it is going to be a real wrinkly, but it's okay. First step you're going to do, fold your square paper like a triangle. And yes, this does work with printer paper, just cut your printer paper. And then you gotta take this one of the piece and then fold it like this. To do that, you're going to take this corner and fold it to that edge. Once you do that, you're gonna put this into here. You're gonna put that into that pocket and fold that as well. Then the next step is going to fold this down so they don't see any white. And once you do that, if you want, you can fold this tab up. I recommend. And now I'm going to show you how to explode it. To hold this edge over here, hold this thing and quickly pull the tab. Like that. But that wasn't that good of a try. So I'll do it again to show you guys how it should look. That was also bad, but you probably get the idea right now. You just quickly pull the tab, and then the whole thing's gonna pop open. It's gonna look like this when it pops open. You can like write a message here and stuff. It's really cool. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.